Good morning, guys. So, we decided to start our day with a good buffet breakfast at Gem Park Ooty. So, they have variety of options, including live counters where you can order for dosas and omelets. They have multiple options available in veg and non-veg, and they have lot of bakery items for kids to experiment. There's a lot of fresh juice, canned juice, and multiple sweet items for kids to try. So we decided to have a leisure breakfast and spend some time here chit chatting and planning for the day. Stay tuned for our sightseeing coming up.
Samira,
Samai.
what are you eating, Samira?
Salmon.
What are you eating? Hi, camera. What are you eating, Swan? Samira, where are you? You're there. Oh my god.
So guys, we reached Doddabetta Peak in Ooty. Weather is very nice. The ticket here is about 10 rupees per head. Children above 5 years, you have to take a ticket. We'll show you what is there on the other side.
Samira, good morning.
Wow.
So this is a beautiful view from the Doddabetta Peak. Today we are lucky not to have too much of clouds, so the view is clear. Wow. So we are over here. After spending nice time at the Doddabetta Peak, we decided to go to tea factory too, because Samira was little cranky at this time. She was feeling little unwell. So we took a stop here so that we can relax and make the baby comfortable. At the same time, we took a little tour of tea factory. They have multiple levels. There is one demo of the tea making process. Then there is a floor where you can buy different kinds of teas. And then there is a floor where you can buy variety of chocolates and biscuits. And then the last one is where you can buy Nilgiris oils and other spices. Spend good time here, then After this, we headed for lunch.
Give me a cool pose.
Give me that back!
In the evening with kids and family.
रकम 20 जैकेट अच्छे
कैसा लग रहा है इसमें? बहुत सुकून लग रहा है। फाइंडिंग सुकून, पीस। माशाल्लाह, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
On gravel paths so clear, laughing voices fade but they're still near. Mountains rise like giants in the air, gardens bloom and show the world they care. Children's giggles echo through the trees, butterflies that dance with summer breeze. Hand in hand together we will roam, everywhere we go feels just like home. Painting skies with our delight, in gardens green and peaks so high, together in this world so wide. Adventure calls, we won't hide. Lullaby, we chase the clouds that float on by. Flowers whisper stories to our hearts. Every journey brings a brand new start. We're painting skies with our delight, in gardens green and peaks so high, together in this world so wide. Adventure calls, we won't hide. Creek in every stream fulfills our family's dream. From the valleys to the heights, together we ignite. In gardens green and peaks so high, together in this world so wide. Adventure calls, we won't hide.
Good morning. So this is day 2 in Ooty, and today we are going towards Kunur to cover the points there. Our main destination will be Dolphin Nose, and there are multiple points near Dolphin Nose, so we'll cover that. Stay tuned.
Footsteps crunch on gravel paths so clear, laughing voices fade but they're still near. Mountains rise like giants in
Ready?
the air.
Say hi to camera, Samaira.
Gardens bloom and
Hello.
show the world they care.
We are in the tea plantation.
Children's giggles echo through the trees. Butterflies that dance with summer breeze. Hand in hand together we will roam. Everywhere we go feels just like home. We're painting skies with our delight, in gardens green and peaks so high, together in this world green and peaks so high. Together in this world so wide. Adventure calls, we won't hide. Every creek and every stream fulfills our family's dream.
Cooking time.
Together we ignite.
So guys, we are at Dolphin Nose Point. This is 25 kilometers away from Ooty. This comes under Kunur. So if you're coming here, you must visit Dolphin's Point and the next point which I'm going to. So ticket here is about 30 rupees per adult, and above 5 years there is 10 rupees ticket plus camera 100 rupees. देखो बाकी अदीन एक So this is Dolphin's Nose Point. We cannot see anything. Too much of cloud. Let's wait for some time. Ooh, the clouds. Come, Samira, come.
Samira, come here.
फोटो मध्ये जा
मंकी आहे तो. मंकी काढ.
दोस्तों हमको वेट करना पड़ेगा 2 मिनट के लिए ताकि ये बादल हटे और हम आपको इसका नज़ारा दिखा सकें. अब आप सिर्फ मंकी को देखिए. इसको इंग्लिश कौन सी है, खुद ही सीख गई. मंकी सी. Ah, nice. Full of clouds. I hope you can't see anything.
अरे मियां तुम मंकी देखो पकड़ लेगा रे.
बोलो मंकी कहाँ है?
मंकी.
Where is monkey?
Money baby. No monkey नहीं है.
Where is monkey?
Monkey here.
Monkey is here.
Monkey.
Oh, bad luck that we cannot find any view because of too much clouds. We are literally in the clouds now. The route to this point is very beautiful. It's a very narrow road, but ensure you give way to other vehicles and find a spot on the 2 points so that the other vehicle can pass by. I can see a waterfall from here. I'm not sure if you are able to see it in the footage. These are all passing clouds.
Walking down the market street, candy lights and sugar beet. Kids are laughing, jumping high, colors splashing in the sky. Found a jelly bean so rare, rainbow swirl and cotton air. Tasted like a sunny day, bouncing worries all away. Jelly bean, palooza time, dance and pop to fruity rhyme. Every flavor in the jar, catch a dream and shoot a star. Met a gummy bear DJ, spinning tracks in Candy Bay. Gumdrops fall like twinkling lights, parties last through starry nights. Licorice ropes are swinging wide, lollipops are carnival rides. Sweet tooth waltz beneath the moon, Candyland will come real soon. Rich cream skies and chocolate streams, life is sweeter than it seems. Friends in candy castles roam, we found a sugary home. Jelly bean, palooza time, dance and pop to fruity rhyme. Every flavor.
अरे
Wow, it looks beautiful. Wow, so guys, we are at Lamps Rock viewpoint. You can see this beautiful view. Wow. इस तरफ से हो, इस तरफ.
राजन में पर लाकर रखा यहाँ से देखो तो उधर
मेट्रोपोलिटन सिटी.
जो सेकंड जगह पहाड़ है ना, वो पहाड़ उसके पीछे तो कोयम्बतूर, यहाँ से 80 किलोमीटर है ना.
कोयम्बतूर 80
हाँ,
किलोमीटर.
यहाँ पर देखना सीधा लाइन जाती है, तो ट्रेन का लाइन इधर.
वाह, हाँ,
उनसे सुन के मेरे को
ट्रेन का लाइन दिख रहा ना.
यहाँ पर आना इधर, वो तो यहाँ पर देखना सीधा लाइन जाती है, वो तो ट्रेन का लाइन है. उससे तो ये सीन हुआ था, दिल से फिल्म दिखा जी.
हाँ, 6
6 पॉइंट है.
हाँ, उसका नीचे तो बस का देखना गाड़ी आ रही है
वो गाड़ी हाँ
कार
कोयंबटूर से ऊटी आती है उससे तो 14
ये जो स्ट्रेट रोड दिख रहा है पहाड़ों के बीच में से उधर वो कोयम्बतूर का रोड है क्या?
वो नहीं इधर ये वो मेट्रोपोलिटन सिटी उधर वो वहाँ से उधर जाना ये पार कर
So this is the dense forest. Does it excite you? It scares me definitely. So far so good, but it's always little bit of energy drain when you're walking up hills along with kids. So ensure you carry a baby carry so that you can walk comfortably. So this is a nice relaxing selfie viewpoint at Lamps Rock. Lunch. Myra dance. So guys, this is end of day 3 I can say, and tomorrow morning we are going to head back home, but there are a couple of spots which we are going to cover while returning. We will be covering the Paikara Lake. From there we will go to Mysore. From Mysore we go to Bangalore, and from Bangalore we ride back home to Hyderabad. Being a rider, every time I say ride back, but it is now I'm driving back, not riding back. Suhan, you want to say something?
Yes.
What?
Paikara waterfall.
Waterfall will be difficult to cover.
Huh?
Yes.
Why?
For that, we need to go a little deeper, do some trekking, and then go. Nani won't be able to do it. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Paikara Lake is what we're going to cover. Okay, stay tuned, guys, and wait for day 4. Ciao.